Resi right here. Welcome back to my channel. In case it's your first time here, hi, my name is Resi and karibu sana. But please consider subscribing, turn on the post notification icon so that when I upload my next video, you'll be among the notification game. So guys, I really missed you. I don't know the last. I can't remember the last time I shot a video. But that's not important. The important thing is that I'm here and I want to give you another video. So guys, in today's video is all about cooking. I want to cook and I'm basically going to cook a Spanish omelette. And currently I don't have the ingredients, but I think we'll have to go to the grocery so that we can purchase and come and cook together. So guys, the ingredients are I need capsicum, garlic, coriander leaves, eggs. I don't have eggs, so we'll have to get them. And yeah, I hope you are going to enjoy the please subscribe and like. Subscribe and like. Also comment below. So guys, without much ado, let me just take my bag. Then we depart. Yeah, so guys, here I come. So this is my bag, and it's just my clutch bag that is inside money and a cardigan because this weather is so cold. It thinks that everybody is fat. Okay, not fat, maybe huge. Not huge. Think that everybody is thick. Yeah, thick is the term because I have friends and cousins who are fat and I don't want not fat who are thick. You know, fat is body shaming. So this weather thinks that everybody is thick, but we are not. So I have my cardigan right here that I put on later. So let's go to the market. Guys, these are our ingredients. We have eggs, 4 eggs, coriander leaves, noodles, tomatoes, curry powder, salt, capsicum, vegetables. These coriander leaves, onions, capsicum, and yeah. So guys, when it comes to tomatoes, make sure you remove the seeds. We don't need the inner seeds, so we remove them. Wow, wow, wow. So, a pinch of salt. Then a curry powder. Curry powder. Yeah, so 1 minute is over. So guys, I'm going to mix these vegetables and these eggs, but there is also another method. You are not supposed to cook. You can still just mix the vegetables with the eggs without cooking them first. But for me, I cooked them first, then I'm going to mix them into this egg. Yep. So for that, I'm just going to whisk. And here is our mixture. Wow. Yeah, so next step. Yes, so guys, this is the final results, or this is the outcome. How does the food looks? It looks yummy, right? Kindly comments below, and make sure you subscribe and like this video. So I have my juice right there, my Spanish omelette, then my noodles. Yeah, so I can't wait because honestly speaking, this food looks yummy. Oh, what do you think? Comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like and share. So let me enjoy